Cats are mysterious creatures, often surprising their human companions with sudden changes in behavior triggered by smells that are imperceptible or insignificant to us. A cat may rub its face furiously against a sandal, recoil from the scent of citrus, or behave in a euphoric frenzy around a simple houseplant like catnip. These reactions are not random or whimsical, they are the result of an incredibly sensitive and finely tuned olfactory system that plays a critical role in how cats interpret and interact with the world around them. The feline sense of smell is highly developed. While humans have approximately 5 million olfactory receptors in their noses, cats have around 50 to 80 million. This heightened ability allows cats to detect a vast range of scents in extremely low concentrations. To a cat, every environment is a detailed tapestry of information woven through scent. This acute sensitivity is not just a quirk of biology, it is a vital survival tool. In the wild, scent helps cats locate prey, detect danger, identify mates, mark territory, and recognize members of their social group. One reason cats react strongly to certain scents is that smells provide emotional and contextual cues. For instance, the smell of another animal, even one that passed through an area hours ago, can trigger territorial responses or curiosity. Similarly, the scent of a familiar human can create feelings of comfort and security, while the smell of a stranger may result in caution or avoidance. Scents are deeply tied to memory in animals, and in cats this connection is particularly profound. A scent associated with a positive experience, like food, warmth, or affection, may elicit purring, rubbing, or contentment. In contrast, a scent linked to a negative experience, like a trip to the vet, can lead to anxiety or aggression. Among the most famous scent-induced behaviors in cats is their reaction to catnip, Nepeta cataria, a plant that contains a compound called nepentolactone. When a cat smells this substance, it binds to receptors in the nasal tissue and triggers a neurological response that affects mood and behavior. Affected cats may roll, purr, drool, leap, or act unusually playful. This reaction lasts for about 10 to 15 minutes, after which the cat becomes temporarily immune to the effects. Interestingly, not all cats react to catnip. Sensitivity is hereditary, and about 30 to 40% of domestic cats show no response. Other plants have similar effects. Silvervine, valerian root, and Tartarian honeysuckle are all known to elicit euphoric reactions in many cats. Each of these plants contains compounds that interact with a cat's brain in a manner similar to nepentolactone. While the evolutionary reason behind this phenomenon is still debated, it's speculated that the compounds may resemble pheromones or other biologically significant molecules to the feline brain. But while some scents attract cats or induce pleasure, others trigger strong aversions. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes contain limonene and other compounds that are repellent or even mildly toxic to cats. Essential oils, which are highly concentrated plant extracts, can be particularly problematic. Many essential oils, such as tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint, can be overwhelming or even harmful to cats if inhaled or absorbed through the skin. Their livers lack the necessary enzymes to metabolize certain chemical compounds found in these oils, which can lead to toxic buildup. As a result, cats instinctively avoid strong chemical odors or plant-based scents that their bodies recognize as dangerous. Another category of scent-based reaction stems from territorial instincts. Cats rely heavily on scent to mark and monitor their territory. They produce scent markers through glands located on their cheeks, paws, flanks, and tails. When a cat rubs against a person or object, it is depositing its own scent, essentially labeling that object as part of its known world. When a cat encounters a space or item that smells strongly of another animal, it may react by sniffing intensely, rubbing to overwrite the scent, or even spraying urine to assert territorial dominance. Scents also play a crucial role in social communication among cats. For instance, when cats greet one another, they often sniff each other's faces and rear ends. These regions contain scent glands that convey information about identity, health, and reproductive status. Even in households where multiple cats live together peacefully, scent-based interactions continue daily. Owners may notice a change in dynamics if one cat returns from the vet or the groomer smelling unfamiliar, sometimes resulting in temporary aggression from other cats who no longer recognize the returning cat by scent. Some cats also display specific preferences and aversions that are harder to categorize. For example, some are fascinated by the scent of sweat, leather, bleach, or menthol, while others will react negatively to perfumes, cleaning agents, or cooking odors. These reactions may be based on individual personality, early life experiences, or subtle chemical properties that stimulate or irritate the olfactory system. For example, bleach contains chlorine compounds that may resemble components found in animal urine, which could explain why some cats are drawn to the scent. One of the most unique aspects of feline scent behavior involves the vomeronasal organ, also known as Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of the mouth. This auxiliary olfactory system allows cats to analyze pheromones and other complex scents by drawing them into the mouth. When a cat curls its lips and slightly opens its mouth after sniffing something intensely, a behavior known as the flamen response, it is engaging this organ to get a more detailed reading of the scent. This behavior is most commonly seen when cats encounter urine marks, unfamiliar animals, or mating signals. Ultimately, the strength and specificity of a cat's reaction to scent reflect its dependence on olfaction as a primary sense for navigating life. While humans often prioritize sight and sound, cats live in a world shaped largely by invisible chemical trails and messages. Their reactions to certain scents are not just instinctive, they are deeply cognitive, tied to memory, mood, territory, and survival. Understanding a cat's relationship with scent can help owners create a more comfortable and enriching environment. Avoiding overly strong cleaners, using unscented or cat-friendly products, and offering access to olfactory enrichment like catnip toys or safe herbs can support a cat's well-being. It also offers a glimpse into the inner world of these enigmatic creatures, whose noses are always working, silently interpreting a dimension of experience we can barely perceive.